Nigeria is seeking $1.5 billion aid from the World Bank to tackle the severe dollar shortage contributing to the decline of the naira. On Wednesday, Finance Minister Wale Edun told Bloomberg that the government is hoping to get $1 billion or $1.5 billion from the World Bank for budgetary support. According to the minister, Africa's largest economy may also issue a Eurobond in late 2024, adding that with the current economic reforms, the country deserves support. Eurobonds denominated in foreign currencies offer Nigeria a mechanism to navigate its financial landscape amidst challenging economic conditions. Nigeria is currently battling with about 87 trillion naira debt, which the International Monetary Fund said was manageable, but noted that the interest payment was high for the country. The Minister of State for Petroleum, Heineken Loporibi, has said that Nigeria is backing Shell's decision to sell its onshore oil and gas asset and will give the necessary regulatory approval. Shell opened a new tap on Tuesday, announcing its exit from Nigeria's onshore and shallow water operations after agreeing to sell the business to a consortium of 5 mostly local companies, opting to focus future investment in less troubled deep offshore fields. Heineken Loporibi, who spoke at the World Economic Forum in Davos, said the government will not impede legitimate business transactions and reaffirm its commitment to fostering a business-friendly environment in the sector. In a statement, Loporibi dismissed concerns about any negative impact from all majors selling their Nigerian assets. Nigeria's Africa's top oil producer has suffered declining output in recent years due to theft and sabotage, mostly on onshore fields, as well as low investment in the sector. Loporibi called for investment and partnership in Nigeria's energy transition rather than imposing deadlines, emphasizing Africa's measured approach to the global transition from fossil fuels to renewable energy. The Minister of State for Petroleum Resources, Dr. Heineken Loporibi, has disclosed that Nigeria will spend a total sum of $3.1 trillion to transit from fossil fuel to cleaner and renewable energy. Loporibi said that the nation had projected $1.3 trillion for energy transition plan, while $1.2 trillion was estimated for renewable energy plan in 2060, making a sum of $3.1 trillion altogether. He made this known at the 54th annual meeting of the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland. In a post on his X handle on Thursday, the minister said he, alongside Vice President Kashim Shettima and other global leaders, had emphasized the nation's commitment to responsible fossil fuel exploration, leveraging cutting-edge technologies. He also highlighted that Nigeria's energy policies align with the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries expectations, showcasing the country's dedication to sustainable practices. However, on the same issue of transition from fossil fuel, Loporibi said Africa, Nigeria in particular, will not rely on aids and grants to transition to cleaner and renewable energy sources in 2060. Nigeria's central bank still lacks the foreign exchange to clear the backlog of demand, and the country's high interest payment to revenue ratio weighs on its sovereign credit rating, Fitch said on Thursday. Africa's largest economy has thus far cleared just $2 billion of a backlog of some $7 billion in forex forward revealed that President Bola Tinubu took office last year. Tinubu took quick action on key fiscal reforms, including slashing petrol subsidies and loosening control on the naira to allow the gap between official and parallel rates. But Ghanaian Noyene, Director of Middle East and Africa Foreign with Finch and foreign exchange shortages in Nigeria would keep pressure on the naira, where there is currently a 30% gap between the official and parallel rates. Speaking at a webinar, Noyeni said Finch expected the naira to end the year just above 900 against the dollar. The official rate is currently at 846 to the dollar, but has widely fluctuated, going past 1,299 this month, according to LSEG data. The headquarters of the 6th Division Nigerian Army, Port Harcourt, has uncovered 14 crude oil reservoirs containing about 3 million liters of stolen crude in Odagwa, Echi, in Echi local government area of Rivers State. Also, the Army said the reservoir had 49 boilers used in refining stolen crude in the area. The General Officer Commanding 6th Division Nigerian Army, Port Harcourt, Major General Jaman Abdul Salam, while conducting newsmen around the reservoirs located in the thick forest of Odagwa, Echi on Thursday, said he wanted Nigerians to know what was happening. Abdul Salam disclosed that through credible intelligence officers of the division were able to discover about 14 reservoirs that contain upward of about 200,000 liters of crude oil in the forest. Addressing newsmen, he said a few arrests had been made. However, those that were arrested were not the major players in the business, but were just carriers of the stolen oil. He said the army would continue to hunt oil thieves so that the country would meet the budget production benchmark.